Some of the key advantages of ETFs for investors are that they tend to be significantly lower cost compared to a lot of other investment vehicles out there. Tremendous diversification, so you have a basket of securities as opposed to a single stock or bond, which helps really spread out your risk over a number of different investment names. Your liquidity, so ETFs provide an enormous amount of liquidity. You can buy or sell an ETF anytime during the trading day on the market, and it's a very efficient way to do asset allocation. So you can pinpoint a specific exposure that you like and include that in the portfolio. ETFs tend to be a lot lower in terms of the cost charged. On the passive index replication side, you can find costs as low as 5 to 15 or 20 basis points. On the middle of the spectrum, for that rules-based or smart beta type strategies, you tend to see that in the range of 30 to 45 basis points. So mutual funds, they can be, as high as 2.5%. But on the active side of the ETF spectrum, you tend to see, about 65, 70 basis points. So in terms of ETF costs, the management fee includes, our valuation day to day. We have to value what's in the portfolio. We have legal and accounting fees. There's costs associated, for example, with putting together prospectuses and annual reports. Another thing that is included in the cost is actually HST, so that's tax, and that's included in the MER. So yes, there is a cost to buy or to sell an ETF, and that is not included in the management fee or the MER. It's a separate cost to purchase or to sell an ETF. We call that a trading commission. So within most of our strategies, the trading expense ratio is quite minimal. So for US and international stocks, we hold the stocks in the ETF, and there's dividends paid on those stocks. Now what happens is when you're investing in a foreign market, whether it be US or international, is that part of that dividend is automatically going to be withheld by that tax jurisdiction. The nice thing is that when we do a distribution, it's already net of that withholding tax. So it's already been paid at the fund level. So for any ETF that you pull up, you'll be able to see the management fee and the MER. The trading expense ratios are on the ETF summary sheet, which is on the legal and regulatory section of our website. And in terms of taxation, the tax parameters for previous years are published for every single ETF.